So P.E.T has like really changed. I think it's helped me a lot with my kids and also the way I speak to my husband and the way I speak to other people around me. Earlier, I think P.E.T has really helped me change my language, the way I speak. Earlier, I would just say, "Stop it! No, don't do that." And now I've learned to kind of do active listening, hear the other side, learn how to listen and arrive at solutions where me and the children are, happy and satisfied with the outcome. And so my husband didn't do the P.E.T, but I think just hearing my change in the way I speak, he's picked it up and he starts talking that way to the extent even the kids started. So yeah, that was a huge change. Like Alana, instead of just snatching back her toy from her younger brother, or instead of just, saying, "Stop it," or something, she's like, "I don't like it when you do that. My drawing is getting spoiled when you color on my drawing." So she's changed a lot. And I haven't even told her. She's just
How old is Alana?
Alana's she just turned 6, like 3 days ago. So that's been a huge change. And yeah, I think it's gonna help me in the long run, and I definitely want to do a couple of maybe repeat this every year, alternate years, just like a refresher's course, because I see the benefits a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.